Just a quick note before this video starts. There is one thing I forgot to mention in the video, so I will mention it very quickly now. If you see when I type something, not a slash, it has that little L next to my name, right? That means that you're chatting in local chat. Only people within 1,000 blocks of you can hear what you're saying. To make it so that everybody in this server can hear you, all you have to do is type an exclamation point and then your message. Just like that, and now it says shout, everybody can hear you. There is one other thing. If you put a question mark, what are the chords to Moscow? It'll put it as a green question thing, and then people will be able to see it more if you have a question versus if you're just chatting. Thanks, that's all. Enjoy the video. Subscribe. Hello everybody, welcome back to what may be the final tutorial video for my server, at least for a little while. At the time of creating this, we are, hang on, let me just check something. 2 days, 10 hours, 38 minutes, and 0 seconds, 37 minutes and 58 seconds, and counting, etc. There is a countdown. Make sure you go check out our Twitter page and the website. It is, the link to it is on both. If you don't have Twitter, that's fine. I don't either. Someone else is running our Twitter page, which is really nice. But you have to join the website because the website has forums and stuff, like one for each country, I believe. And then also for players who want to be part of either the Bounty Hunter Guild, the Witches Guild, or the Assassin's Creed Guild. Those are the 3 guild things that we have now. Just run by players. It's really neat. If you get enough people together, you can make your own, which I think is awesome. And then if people want a ship built, people can run a shipyard. If people start a legit shipyard, I will just message me and I'll add a forum topic about it. Forum is your friend. Now, this video is going to be a few extra rules. Don't click away. These are really important rules. So let me just get into this Destria compact fighter here. Turn and go towards the docks. Now, the first rule. This rule is really important. If you fail to follow this rule, you will probably get temp banned, jailed, or even banned, immediately, depending on the offense. This rule says you cannot release your craft in combat. Now, you cannot do /release. That's the command. I've already disabled that, but there is another way to release your craft whenever you want, and I'm not going to tell you what that is, but if you find it out, don't do it, okay? It's cheating, because when you aren't piloting your craft, it doesn't matter how many blocks are destroyed, it will not sink. So, let me do a demonstration. This little ship here, /release, I can spell. This ship here, compact fighter, I should be able to destroy no more than 2 blocks. Probably 2 blocks will make it sink, or 2 engines or something. So, as you can see, let me destroy 4 engines. Nothing happens because I'm not piloting the craft. Now, let me put those engines back. Oops. I meant to do that. Pilot the craft. Break 1, 2 engines, and oh no, it's taking too much damage. It's sinking. Abandon ship. And it falls down, and fighters are the only ones that do this. They explode wherever they land. But yeah, that is why you cannot do that. Another thing, in protected airspace, if you don't know, each city has a separate region, and then around it is protected airspace, where there is no PvP, no explosions, your ship will be safe, as long as it's not in the way. My game is lagging and forced me to fall off of the dock. So the rule is you cannot build in it. Now, why do I need that rule, you ask? I can just world guard it. Well, yes and no. Movecraft has world guard integration so that you can't fly, so that I can set it so that you can't fly in certain areas, i.e. the cities, because I don't want you flying in the cities. But I have to allow you to build in order to essentially make blocks in that area, which is what you do when you have a craft that's piloting it into it. So I'm not gonna show you because I have all the permissions, and of course I can place everything. You will probably only be able to place dirt and things like that, but even if you can place a ton of stuff, don't, okay? Protected airspace is not somewhere to practice building. You can do that out in the wilderness. Pillaring, I think I said this in the last video, maybe not. It is allowed, but only if you clean it up. If you do not clean it up and an admin sees you, you will be teleported, no matter what you're doing, instantly to that spot, and you'll have to clean it up with whatever tools you have in your inventory. So, good luck. I mean, really, they're ugly, and nobody wants to look at them. That is it for this episode. I don't even know what I'm saying. It's been such a long week, and I am exhausted. Hey, now I have to work on my server in the weekend. How nice. Yeah, so, just, I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. I will see you online, and don't forget to tell your friends and stuff. Oh, and join England, because, cough, it is the, best thing. Oh, that reminds me. Actually, never mind. Bye.